everyone, hope you're keeping well and safe in these COVID-19 times. Not very great. Anyway, let's move on to some positive stuff with some stretches. I'm going to do 5 stretches and it's for lower back and to incorporate opening up through the chest and the arm. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to do is a really nice, easy one that you can do at any time. We normally use rollers for these, but you can grab a pillow and you can literally roll your pillow up. In fact, I'll show you this way so that you can see. Roll your pillow up, puff it up, and roll yourself down so that it's down through your spine. Now you can have another pillow under here, or you can shuffle your bum down a little bit. Okay, depending on how long your pillow is. And you get that nice raised part through the spine and it opens up through the chest. And then you can let your arms go out, soften through the head and the neck and just lie. And that's really nice and easy. And obviously depending on how firm your cushion or your pillow is to bring you up, all right, obviously you'd be higher and then obviously you get more dip away through the arms. If it's too uncomfortable here, have the arms slightly lower. And just chill. Make sure the neck is nicely aligned. Hold that for about 1 minute. Okay, then you're going to roll off and then you're going to use your pillow again. And what we're going to do with this one is just trying to find the best way to show you. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to roll it up again and I'm going to come around this way and show you this time. We're going to have it, we're going to lie on our backs. Okay, with our knees bent and the pillow underneath. And then what we'll do is we'll bring our bum up and bring the pillow under the bum and drop the bum back down onto the pillow. Then we're going to slide one leg away and slide the other leg away. And this really opens up through the front here. So it works through these abdominal muscles, opening them up, through a little bit the hip flexors, through that and the psoas muscle. Now if that's too uncomfortable where your pillow is, just slide your legs back up to a bent position, shuffle the pillow away from you and it makes it easier. Bum back down and again re-slide. Again, if you want to take your arms out, up or just down to the sides and just really let that all open up. It's lovely. You can hold that for a minute. Bend the knees, bring the bum gently up and off. And I would just perhaps hug the knees, okay? A little bit of side to side rocking, okay, before we go on to our next move. So for our next move, I'm going to show you the 3-point position and I'm going to do it on one side and then you can repeat again on the other side. Each move is about 40 seconds to a minute hold. So first position is lying onto your side with a pillow under your head. I'll come at a diagonal angle slightly. Knees bent and stacked. Okay, and then we're just rolling away with the hand. I'm going to use my pillow. I'm going to have my pillow underneath. I'm going to roll away. I'm going to drop that out. Now if that's too uncomfortable, again, bring the arm lower. Or if it's still uncomfortable, just place the hand onto the hip and just open up through the chest and the top part of the shoulder. Okay, and you're just going to allow that to sit for about a minute. And you may feel that down through the hip area, maybe across here. And obviously if you're out here, you'll probably feel that coming down into the top of the arm as well. Okay, so we're going to roll in, okay, just for a rest. Stage 2 of that exercise is bring the top knee up to the floor. Okay, slide the other leg just away, whether you want it lengthened or slightly kinked, it doesn't matter. And then again, you're going to roll away, but keep that knee on the floor. And you may find that you cannot reach the floor or you cannot go as far. That's quite heavy. I'm going to bring my arm down a bit. Keep your head nice and heavy and rested through your pillow. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, and it's about a 40-second to a minute hold depending on what you feel you can manage. Really try and switch everything off. You're going to return the arm by curling in at the wrist, elbow and bring it over through the shoulder. Come back round, have a pause and a rest. Okay, so the next phase is from that Again, position 2 with the top knee. Then we're going to bring the bottom leg back. Take that knee back if you can. And if you can reach, grab your foot. Okay, some people will be able to, some people will not. If you have a dressing gown belt, you can loop the dressing gown belt over the foot and just have that to hang on to. Try not to do too much pulling. It's more just a position, allowing that to pull my arm, open up through the top half, head nice and rested. I'm getting a really nice stretch down through the neck as well. Lower back's feeling it, a little bit into the hip. 40 minutes. Sorry, not 40 minutes. 40 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, release slowly out, really, really slowly. Come onto your backs. And once you're on your back, again, just squash your back through the floor a couple of times. Perhaps again, hug the knees with a bit of side to side rocking. Okay, whichever feels comfortable. And then repeat on the other side. Okay, good luck everyone.